want to give 20 bid, 10,000 anyone on the red Corvette, 10,000 on the bid, it's no reserve, 10,000 anywhere, now 10 to 12,000, 10,000, 12,000.
And this is a 1980 automatic, very nice condition. Yeah, it's very clean. The interior seems to be very clean, so nice car.
Let me see what happens with that.
Now offering J110, a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. It's a matching number 350 V8 automatic. 2 cents of T. Thompson Air, no reserve.
Batmanson here, give 30,000 to the head. Did you want to bid 30? Give 30, give 20,000 to the head. Did you want to give 20 bid, 10,000 anyone on the red Corvette, 10,000 on the bid, it's no reserve, 10,000 anywhere, now 10 to 12,000, 10,000, 12,000 anywhere, 11,000 total. Did you want to have 12, 13 bid, 14,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 16 bid, 17,000, 17 bid, 17 anyone, 17,000 to the net, 17 anywhere, 17 bid, 17,000, did you want to bid, 17 anywhere, 18,000, 17 up here, 18,000, 19,000, 19 bid, 20,000, 20,000 to the net, did you want to bid, 20 bid, 20,000, it's no reserve, 20,000, you want to bid, 20,000 to the net, 20 bid, 20,000, anybody want to bid, 20, did you want to get 20,000, 20,000, now one, 21,000, 20 bid, 21 anywhere, 21,000, 20 bid, 21,000, anybody else at 20 bid, did you want to bid 21, 20 bid, 21, anybody else at 21,000, 21 anywhere, did you want to bid 1,000, anybody want to bid at 21,000? So 20,000 others on the interior net.